Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Pilot LX. The vehicle does come equipped with LED daytime running lights. You'll have the all-weather floor mats in all rows of the vehicle. You'll have an Econ mode for fuel-efficient driving. This vehicle also comes with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes road departure mitigation, collision mitigating braking system. You'll also have adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. You'll find familiar conveniences for steering wheel controls for the volume, your audio sources, and be able to answer your phone calls and use voice commands. You'll be able to connect up your media through Bluetooth or USB. You'll have AM/FM radio. You'll have power and USB ports. Here in the center console, you'll have additional power and USB. You'll have a place to store your sunglasses. Back seats will lay down. You'll also be able to slide seats forward with a bar underneath, helping you get access to the third row. You have a capless fuel filler. The vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera with 3 different views. You have an easy seat storage system, which whenever you pull the cable, the seat will let on down. Additional storage down here, your spare tire tool set, access to lower the spare tire, and you'll have the all-weather cargo tray and the carpeted mats for this vehicle. This is the 2019 Honda Pilot LX here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.